So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox a soft pastels and also an electric eraser, and I have already drawn this piece, so I hope you like it. And friends, before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and support my work, and let's jump into it. So friends, you have already seen the unboxing and the drawing video. So here's the drawing which I did today. I'm not super happy with this. At the same time, I'm not feeling bad by any means, because this is my first try with soft pastels, and for first try it is okay, and I'm going to practice a lot more and do better videos as soon as possible. I've got a lot of questions like what camera you are using for your videos, or what camera you are filming with, but actually I haven't used any cameras for filming my videos. Recently I switched to this Poco X3 Pro, but before I have used my old mobile phone. It is just a 13 megapixel camera with a very average sensor for that price point, and I managed to get the fullest out of it. For that I have used some things, and I'm going to show that in a separate video if you want. So if you want that video, please mention down below, I'll be doing it. And friends, I hope you like this drawing and like this video, and if you like this drawing and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support my work. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa.